Well, as the world rapidly evolves towards a new digital economic order, Hong Kong is establishing its position by taking proactive measures through innovation, policy and regulations. And Hong Kong has been creating a clear regulatory path for the Web3 industry and leads the region in fostering blockchain innovation and encouraging broad participation in a crypto-based financial ecosystem. And well, last week, community-driven blockchain platform Neo held the Hong Kong Web3 evolution with the finale of its APAC hackathon as the main highlight. We sent Forkast's Jenny Ortiz to cover the event on the ground in Hong Kong.
Government officials, venture capitalists, academics, entrepreneurs, and developers from all across Asia are here at NEO's HK Web3 Evolution. The event is exploring the future trajectory of the Web3 industry, as well as facilitating partnerships and collaborations. It also highlighted how Hong Kong is a global Web3 hub.
The very important things, I think, how we can, our community can deliver more and more real-life applications which can let all citizens, including government, know Web3 can improve every people's life.
Hong Kong, from the beginning, has been one of the centers of crypto and Web3.
October 2022. That's when the Financial Services and the Treasury Bureau released a policy statement on the development of virtual assets in Hong Kong. 1 year on, the city has progressed on various aspects of the digital economy. Earlier this year, Hong Kong allocated 50 million Hong Kong dollars or over $6 million for the development of its Web3 sector. In June, licensed cryptocurrency trading platforms were opened up to retail investors, and a slew of measures to protect individual traders were also put in place. A study by Forex education platform Forest suggests even named Hong Kong the world's most crypto-ready jurisdiction. The study also placed Hong Kong second among countries with the maximum blockchain startups. China's special administrative region has 3 blockchain startups per 100,000 people, which puts it only 1 rung below Switzerland.
We believe that Hong Kong possesses abundance of talents and technological advantages, coupled with the government support, making it poised to become a global hub for Web3.
HK Web3 Evolution is also the finale of NEO's APAC hackathon, which ran for 3 months starting in July this year and has seen around 100 teams competing across 5 cities in Asia, namely Tokyo, Japan, Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, Bengaluru in India, Seoul, South Korea, and Singapore. A prize pool worth $120,000 and a post-hackathon grant fund from the Web3 Global Acceleration Program amounting to $1 million was at stake.
In the past, we lack of some infrastructure level innovations. And the reason why we do hackathon here, why we operate this funding program is to encourage people to do more lower level, under the hood infrastructural buildings.
The second bit I just want to quickly touch on is about how we look at talents or community or ecosystem as an important initiative of Hong Kong governments. Now, naturally, in this upcoming era, 20 years and longer, it's really about competing talents.
If there's one thing that this event proves, it is that Asia is home to some of the finest developer talent in the world.
The highlight of the hackathon is always the talent. It's always the people. It might not be something that will take off very soon, but it's the inspiration. We can feel their passion about crypto, about Web3, about building a new world with new order.
Web3 industry has been hit by crypto market downturn and collapse of major digital assets firms such as 3 Arrows, Terraform Labs, and FTX over the last year. For developers, both private and public sectors play a role in ensuring that the industry can rise from the ashes.
So I would say during the bull market, a lot of projects were able to self-fundraise using IDOs and public sales. But as liquidity's kind of dried up in the market, we as developers really have to try and bootstrap using hackathon grants or ecosystem grants from the various blockchains and rely on VC funding. So it is a very much important part of development.
By the government is much more generous. They ask actually no equity, no token share, but they hope you become successful and bring much more like a creator sector or kind of momentum to Hong Kong.
As blockchain technology continues to mature and develop, Hong Kong's Web3 future promises to be a dynamic landscape of innovation, not just in Asia Pacific, but in the whole world. In Hong Kong, Jenny Ortiz, Forkast.